Hey, what's up, guys? This is Big Russ, and today I'm starting to work on this. This is Mystic's F-150 he won. And I'm gonna try to keep everything intact for the man because, you know. So, in the packaging, we got the decals. You got the awesome little catalog. But I absolutely love the detail work on this truck. We even have a drop bed. Tailgate panel. The taillights are molded in. The headlights are molded in. Like, this is a good looking truck. The only thing missing are door handles. And that's because on these trucks, they were bolted on. So, I got some work to do. One thing I'm glad to have in the studio for test fit purposes is my ECX Torment. And yeah. Once I get the body cut out, we can test fit it and see how it looks. I've got to cut out everything, mask off everything, the whole nine. The windows are going to get masked. I've got graphics. I've got to figure out how I'm going to do the graphics. One color should be delivered today. That's one of the three colors he told me. Two. Number 3 will be delivered. Mainly because I just don't feel like dealing with Hobby Lobby right now. They've got their Christmas stuff out, and I cannot stand the smell of those cinnamon pine cones that are everywhere. So, Amazon it is. I get my stuff. Supposed to be delivered yesterday, but whatever. I've got a couple weeks to do this. So, yeah, bear with me. All right, so I got it kind of roughly cut out. Need to do some fine tuning. But plan ahead, man. Plan ahead. Gotta get this lifted. So, I don't know what chassis he is planning on running. So, I am not gonna drill body holes. But let's take a look at this. So, obviously, it's sitting on my body posts. If I had my rear bumper on still, that would be protected. The front's pretty good. As you can see, I got to do some cleanup work all over. But this thing is going to come out sweet. Okay, so outside of the obvious, cleanup work on the wheel wells, on the, the edges of the body, I would say I wish you guys had voted for the pre-cut bodies. So the front and the rear are super thick, where this stuff on the sides here at like the bottom of the doors was like really thin. So from here forward and here back was super hard to cut, where this was just like butter. And I mean, you can see, like, I'm barely putting pressure on it and it's folding. I can't wait to get this masked off, get it painted up. I will release that video after Mystic gets this truck. Okay? Promise the video will show up. It's just once he gets it, if he puts a video out, then I will put my video out, which realistically will probably be Christmas. So I'm gonna get my Dremel out, I'm gonna get this cleaned up, and I will see you guys in the next video. It's gonna be a fun one. Peace.